everyone, welcome back. It is day 26 of your 30-day Pilates journey. We are officially in the home stretch, so we'll be kicking it up maybe a notch or two for these last 5 workouts. Today, we're going to be focusing on stamina, mainly challenging your stamina, using some moves, of course, that we've built up over the past 25 days. I can't believe it's been that long, but just adding a little bit of fire to it and keeping it moving throughout. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna have you lie down on your back. We'll begin with the footwork. So we'll bring the knees into the chest, and then go ahead and curl your head, neck, and shoulders up. Today we'll bring the hands behind the back of the head, palm over palm. Find a frog position with the heels together, toes apart. Now we'll take the legs out and pull them in for 8. Out and in 7. 6. 5. Last 4. 3 more. And 2. And 1. Now reach the legs out. Bring the big toes together. Squeeze your inner thighs. Point feet. And bend those knees in, staying curled. And 7. And 6. Last 5. And 4. And 3. And 2. And 1. Hold the legs out there. Feet flex back to bend in. 8. Out in 7. And 6. Last 5. Let's widen the elbows and just curl a bit higher. 3 more. Last 2. And 1. Now reach those legs out, Pilates stance. Let's point the feet, flex the feet. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Point those feet, arms long by your sides. We'll begin to pump for the 100. And breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5. Challenging the stamina of those abdominals. You got this. 8 more breaths. In. And out. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. In with the air. And out with the air. 5 more breaths. And exhale. 3, 4, 5. 4 more breaths. And exhale. 3, 4, 5. 3 more breaths in. And exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 more breath. And out. 2, 3, 4, 5. And hold it there. Bend your knees all the way in. And then lower your head down. From here, we'll step the feet down onto the mat. And go ahead and heel toe the legs out a little bit so that your toes kind of point off the side edges. Now we're just going to push down into the feet and lift those hips high to the ceiling, opening up the hips. And let's start to melt it down. So we're going to start bringing a little bit of fire to the backs of our legs and our glutes here. Let's press down and lift. 2, 3, and lower. 2, 3. 3 more, lifting up. 2, 3, lowering down. 2, 3. 2 more times, lift. 2, 3, and lower. 2, 3. 1 more here, up. 2, 3, and down. Now we'll lift and stay up, all the way up. Holding there. Now the hips pulse up. 10, pulse up. 9, 8, 7, squeezing that seat, really working the glutes here, making sure you have even weight in the feet. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now melt all the way down to the bottom. Now let's walk the feet together. Big toes, ankles, knees touch. Push down into your feet to lift those hips sky high. Now we'll take the right leg and slide it out. From here, we'll kick it up, reach it down. 5, up, reach it down. 4, and 3, last 2, and 1. Slide it in. Left leg reaches out. Reach that leg up and down. 4, trying to keep both hips nice and high. And 2, 1 more time, reach it down, slide it in. Right leg reaches out to kick up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Reach it down, slide it in. Left leg reaches out to kick up 4 times. 3, 2, keep driving those hips up. 1, reach it down, pull it in. Right leg up. 3, up 2, up 1, pull it in. Left leg up. 3, up 2, up 1, pull it in, right leg, lift up 2 times. 1, reach it down, pull it in. Left leg reaches to lift up twice. Reach it down, pull it in. Now right leg out, up just 1 time. Pull it in, left leg, just 1 time. Pull it in 1 more time each side. Right leg reaches and in, and then the left leg, and in. Roll your hips down. Pull your knees into the chest. Whew, how's that for some stamina there for the backs of the legs? All right, now go ahead and rock and roll yourself up to a seated position. And then go ahead and flip yourself around. We're gonna come to a forearm plank. So this time, go ahead and make sure that your forearms, make fists with your hands, forearms are parallel. And we're gonna find that plank and hold it. Let's rock back and forth 10 times. 9, abs are tight, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now starting with your right hand, flip that forearm perpendicular to the other, and then go ahead and just stack up onto a right side plank, and we'll lower lift 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 more here, 3, 2, and 1. Back to the center to pulse forward and back for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Flipping to the other side, trying not to drop down. We'll hold that other forearm plank and down and up 10. Ooh, don't fall over. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, just little dips of the hips, 2, and 1. Now 2 forearms back down to the mat. Last plank in the center here, pulsing back and forth. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Tap your knees down. Let's take a little bitty child's pose. 1 big breath in here. 1 big breath out. And now make your way to a 4 hands and knees, all fours position here, right on the center of your mat. From here, we're going to tuck the toes under, pull up into your belly button to round your spine as much as you can. Now go ahead and lift your knees off about 1 inch. We'll hold here 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, keep rounding, 2, 1, tap down, 1 breath in, exhale, round and lift. Now right knee pulls into chest and reaches straight out, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Set it back down, right left knee in, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1 more each side, right knee in and out, 10, 9. You got this. This is the last thing. Work that stamina. I know you have it. 3 more. Last 2 and 1. Change legs again. Left side out and in. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. 2 toes on the mat, 2 knees on the mat. And you made it through. Whew. I hope that was a challenge to your stamina. It sure was a challenge for mine. All done with day 26. We'll see you tomorrow on the mat for day 27. Bye for now. Hey friends, are you loving this daily Pilates practice and wondering what's next? If you're loving the results that you're getting, but worried that once this journey is over, you may not be motivated to make it back to your mat as often, don't worry, I have just the solution for you. On Saturday, February 6th at 1 p.m. Eastern, I'll be teaching my new workshop, How to Have a Pilates Home Practice That Works.
In this workshop, we'll talk about how to plan your workouts around your already busy life, how to know what to do for your workouts, and I'll also teach you easy tools of self-assessment and body organization to make sure you are moving your body correctly and help eliminate the question, am I even doing this right? And for those of you out there who are like me and love spending time laying on the couch, I'll also be teaching habit-forming techniques that are backed by science to help you turn your workouts from a chore on your to-do list that you're never motivated to complete into a feel-good habit that becomes a part of your daily life. This workshop is absolutely free, and I promise you don't want to miss this. It will be chock full of useful information to help make your personal workouts a daily habit. Everyone who signs up for the workshop will also receive a replay, so if you can't make it live, don't worry, I've got you covered. To sign up for the workshop, all you have to do is click the link below in the description. Hope to see you there.